Log into 922S5 and Vivaldi. Select country. Select state. Select city. Click search. Right-click, click on 30,000 used. Click port forward list. Let's copy one of them and use it. In the settings, click network. Click proxy settings. Click open in use a proxy server. And paste the IP address and port you just copied. Click Save. Back to Vivaldi. Enter iplocation.com in the URL to check if the IP has changed. IP has changed. Same as in 922S5. This is the tutorial for using 922S5 in Vivaldi.